Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys now know by the title that yes, I'm gonna be sharing my skincare routine today. I dropped one skincare routine of mine बहुत time पहले, probably like 2 years back, and तब से अब तक so many things have changed. I have also switched few products here and there in my skincare routine, and considering that now that I'm a full-time blogger, I receive products from brands and from PRs as well. So when I start trying them, few of them somehow become part of my routine, and few of them are my personal favorite as well. And not only that, I also have few of my personal suggestions in this skincare routine of mine. So yeah, बहुत ही ऐसे chill and fun, and at the same time I have not applied anything on my face. There's like the bare face situation happening right now. I have not even filled my brows. There's just Vaseline on my lips, that is it. And just because my face was looking so plain, I was like, let's wear a cute top to feel a bit pretty and cute. So that's the vibe going on. I also know that your exams are going on, so I'm going to be like super duper quick. Okay, so the first thing and the little change which I've made in the first step of my skincare routine is using cleansing facial wipes instead of micellar water or liquid makeup removers, which generally are available in market. I have stopped using those because those were harming my skin like a lot. My skin used to turn so much red, and I was like, maybe it's just because of regular acne which I have, but no, those were actually increasing my acne, and it was just not helping my skin at all. So finally I made a decision and switched to using these cleansing facial wipes, which are more mild and soft, and very helpful for people like me who have like extra level wali highly sensitive skin type. And at the same time, you have like a peace of mind that these won't fall in your bag. These are very compact. वो micellar water ऐसे liquid cleanser toners, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अभी वो बैग में बस गिरने वाले हैं, and I just move around in anxiety the whole day whenever I'm outside. Alright, so second is using a face wash. This is like the most personal favorite face wash of mine in my entire life. ये मैंने हर जगह बहुत वीडियोस में अपने suggest किया है, and still this is my favorite even now. This one is from Acne-Lac. My dermatologist actually suggested this one for me, and I'm still using it till date. This is like perfect. Like every member in my family even uses it, and this is like suitable for every skin type. कोई भी इसे use कर सकता है. This one helps in cleansing pores, lighten acne spots, and things like that. सब कुछ यहीं ऊपर ही लिखा हुआ है. I love this thing about dermatologically recommended products. सब कुछ ऐसे ऊपर ही लिख देते तो ज़्यादा ऐसे सोचना नहीं पड़ता क्या है. And yeah, this is again very mild, and it is gel based, तो बहुत ही ऐसे कम use होता है, and you're done for the whole day. ज़्यादा excessive oil भी नहीं आता है face पे, which again is my problem because I have huge pores. So yeah, this beauty helps in that. Okay, so this step is like optional. I mostly don't do it because I have acne prone skin. So the step which I'm talking about is using a scrub. I rarely use it, mainly on my nose and maybe on chin area. That's it, because यहाँ पे मुझे blackheads and whiteheads का थोड़ा सा problem है, so this thing sort of helps me get rid of that. And anyway, this sort of helps me in general. कभी कभी मैं ऐसे face पे भी use कर लेती हूँ. It's very mild, it's very gentle. It's Plum's green tea range of scrub. Green tea products Plum के are awesome. Those are just amazing. Those are very lightweight and non-greasy. ऐसे अच्छा प्यारा texture देता है. ऐसे summers में भी does not feel very ऐसे layers of product on your skin. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी feel नहीं होता है. It's very nice. Love it. Okay, so after this there's toner. So this is the one which I've recently got from Organic Harvest, and the one thing which I love about this is like you can use it any time of the day. Like you do not have to do all the steps and then use toner. Toners are like my personal favorite thing. तो मुझे बस एक बार bag में रखो, and whenever you're outside just spray like a little bit on your face, let it dry. इतना मस्त refreshing feeling आती है ना एकदम से ही. I just love it. And this one is cucumber based. I mean, you can also DIY it at your own home. ऐसे रोज वाला टोनर बना लो, या फिर एलोवेरा वाला टोनर बना लो. I mean, you get it ना. बहुत ही मज़ा आता है DIY करने में summers में. And toners again just lock in all the moisture on your face, and you will just love the after feeling of it. You will feel so light, and all your problems will be, मतलब वो जाएंगी नहीं कहीं, but you will feel good about them. Okay, so next is using moisturizing cream. I actually have I actually have two same product in different packaging. तो एक मैं ये घर पे रखती हूँ. This I keep in my makeup या फिर traveling bag में. I just love this one. Again, मैंने इसे बहुत बार recommend किया है अपनी videos में. This is like the perfect thing to have. And also, one more myth about moisturizing creams is that if you use it in summer, don't use it in summer. People just suggest and tend to avoid using moisturizers in summer, but ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, because even if you have like a really highly oily skin type just like mine, you still should use cream or any moisturizer, because whenever you use face wash, that excess oil just gets rip off and फिर और ज़्यादा excess oil आता है. So in order to control that, creams and moisturizers actually help. Yes, मुझे भी बहुत ज़्यादा बाद में पता चला था, and when I actually started using them, I just cannot live without them now. Even if I have highly oily skin type, it's okay. I mean, we should not avoid using it. Always include a cream or any good moisturizer in your skincare. Please do that. Alright, so next is using SPF, of course. There are a few friends of mine who have shared the secret with me, and I've also seen this online that many people use SPF or sunscreen even when they're sitting at home. उन्हें लगता है कि लाइट की भी जो रेज आती है उससे भी कुछ SPF आता है. I have no idea about it, but anyway, using an SPF is really important. We all know that. I mean, there's no point talking a lot about this. Okay, so what I'm using is this one, Lotus Safe Sun Sports one. It has SPF 100 plus. I mean, I know ये कुछ ज़्यादा वाला SPF हो गया, but you can use like any SPF about like 30 to 40 के बीच में भी. It's like perfectly fine. And yeah, सनस्क्रीन्स पता है, I'll tell you what, मैं ना पहले बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगाती थी, एंड मैं बिल्कुल ऐसे टैन घूमती थी कॉलेज में. बट नाउ दैट आई हैव ग्रोन अप अ लिटिल बिट, एंड I mean, it's better to always use sunscreen. ऐसे बाद में प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Okay, so using foot cream is actually like a recent sort of thing which I have just included in my skincare routine, or maybe body care routine if you want to call it now. तो पहले like हम लोग बॉडी अपनी स्किन का ध्यान रखते हैं, बट वी नेवर टेक केयर ऑफ आवर फीट, एंड आई गेस दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज बड़े होके पता चलता है इफ़ यू लिसन टू योर मॉम्स. सो आई हैव स्टार्टेड टेकिंग केयर ऑफ माई फीट अभी से, एंड फॉर दैट आई एम यूजिंग द मॉम्स को नेचुरल फुट क्रीम. इट्स लाइक अ परफेक्ट थिंग इफ़ यू गोना अप्लाई इट एट नाइट. हमेशा रात को ही लगाना, बिकॉज थोड़ा सा तो ऐसे ऑयली और ग्रीसी फीलिंग नो वन लाइक्स इन फीट, बहुत वियर्ड हो जाता है. सो ऑलवेज यूज इट इन नाइट, एंड या it just makes my feet very soft. Ta-da! You guys know what? My hands are always sweaty, and it's just a weird thing. मतलब वो हमेशा मॉइस्चराइज या फिर स्वेटी रहते हैं. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन द फीलिंग, चाहे वो विंटर्स हो या समर्स हो या फिर रेनी, कुछ भी क्लाइमेट चल रहा हो. बट द मोमेंट आई वॉश माई हैंड्स, दे जस्ट ड्राई अप सो क्विकली, एंड आई ऑलवेज हैव टू कैरी अ हैंड क्रीम और एनी मॉइस्चराइजर इन माई बैग. एंड आई एम नॉट किडिंग, मेरे हर एक पर्स में या बैग में यू विल फाइंड एटलीस्ट वन हैंड क्रीम. But personally, whenever I'm at home, I'm using this one. This one is from Burberry, but I also use one from Colorbar. Innisfree wali hand cream is also nice. So there are like many options available, and you can choose whatever works best for you. You do not necessarily have to get this one, but hand creams generally are a nice thing to have and carry. बहुत अच्छे से fragrance, and you feel good. I just don't like extreme sweaty या फिर extreme dry hand, so this thing sort of helps me balance myself in that. Have I ever shared this thing with you? मैंने शायद किया होगा, considering I have made so many videos on my channel. Lip glosses or lip balms just never suit my lips at all. There was one time in school I tried something एंड वो बिल्कुल भी मुझे सूट नहीं किया. माई लिप्स टर्न्ड डार्क ब्राउन, एंड अगर तुम मुझे थोड़ी दूर से देखोगे तो ऐसा लग रहा था माई लिप्स हैज़ टर्न्ड ब्लैक, एंड दैट वॉज नॉट अ वेरी एक्साइटिंग इवेंट ऑफ माई लाइफ, नॉट एट ऑल. तब एग्ज़ाम्स चल रहे थे थैंकफुली, तो मैं जल्दी एग्ज़ाम दे के घर आ जाती थी. बट एनी वे, द ओनली थिंग विच सूट्स मी एंड मतलब माई लिप्स आर वैसलीन. येस, दैट्स द ट्रूथ. लोग कहते हैं कि वैसलीन नहीं यूज़ करना चाहिए, उससे लिप्स ब्लैक हो जाते हैं, बट दिस इज़ लाइक द ओनली थिंग विच सूट्स माई लिप्स. ट्रस्ट मी, आई इवन चेक दिस विद माई डर्माटोलॉजिस्ट, एंड उन्होंने भी मुझे यही सजेस्ट किया, बट उसके बाद भी मैं नहीं मानी. आई वॉज लाइक नहीं, मैं और चीज़ें एंड मे बी दूसरे ब्रांड या फिर बिल्कुल मस्त हाई क्वालिटी वाले या फिर सिर्फ ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट्स भी अपने लिप्स पे ट्राई करूँगी, बट मुझे सच में कुछ सूट नहीं किया. माई लिप्स, आई डोंट नो क्या चीज़ से, it's weird, but yeah, Vaseline is the only thing which suits me. And anyway, just include any good lip balm or anything in your skincare routine to keep your lips moisturized and well balanced. And also तुम ना ऐसे DIY भी कर सकते हो कोई भी ऐसे lip scrub. My personal favorite is using sugar granules. उसमें ऐसे थोड़ा बहुत honey and just squeeze few drops of lemon and just scrub it. जैसे dead skin भी निकल जाती है. And yeah, that's the tip right over there. Enjoy. And guys, that was like my basic skincare routine. इसमें से मैं few steps इधर उधर कर देती हूँ, कुछ कभी नहीं भी यूज़ करती because ठीक है. But mostly I try कि मैं अपने सारे steps पूरे करूँ because that's important for our skin. And considering I'm in my mid-20s, almost mid-20s, so I have to start taking care of my skin. And my favorite thing, wait, evenings में ना whenever I'm home या फिर जब मैं ऐसे बाहर से dull pollution ऐसे करके when I come home, ऐसे dull pollution ऐसे ads में नहीं बोलते ऐसे dull pollution skin वही निकल रहा है. So I have like this whole collection of sheet masks with me. I am obsessed with sheet masks. मुझे लगता है सभी sheet mask से बहुत obsessed होते हैं. Like जितने भी लोगों से मैं मिली हूँ ना वो तो है. And मैं इन्हें collect करती रहती हूँ whenever I get maybe free samples भी stores से या फिर खुद से भी. So I just pick anything and I just start applying them. I have from Garnier, I have from the Face Shop, I have Guys, I got a call in between. But anyway, the whole point is that just use a sheet mask in evening. You will feel very relaxed and chill. ऐसा लगता है self care on the go. And yeah, and I'm also glad about the the skin which I'm able to achieve after taking care of my skin and using proper skincare routine. ये बाल कब ठीक होंगे? I am परेशान with them now. पहले मुझे थोड़े सही लगते थे. Now I'm like कब. But anyway, so yeah, that was it. And you know what? This is not like the exact routine which you have to follow because when I was like super pareshan with my skin na, so I used to watch every single video on YouTube and I was like, if these products are suiting that person, that influencer and uski skin aisi lag rahi hai saaf clear, then maybe these products will suit me as well. But that's not entirely true. Just try to build your own skincare routine. You can include the steps which I have shown you, but try to include the products which suit your skin type. And वो test and trial method से ही आते हैं. And I know it's a slow process, but it will help your skin only. So yeah, that's worth giving your time for. And anyway, that was it for today's video. And all the best for your exams as well. Let me know कब ख़त्म हो रहे हैं ताकि हम और मस्त अच्छे से और videos बनाएं. Let me know and like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.